Guided access not working on iPhone fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if our guided access is not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if guided access is actually not working on your iPhone, there are a couple of ways to hopefully fix it. You can simply try to open up your settings, and this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? And once you've done this, from here what you want to do is simply go to the option called accessibility. From accessibility over here, you want to simply go to this option called guided access right here under general. Go to guided access, and if it is turned off, then obviously it will not work. So what you have to do is make sure it is turned on. If it is turned on, it will get highlighted in green. So once you make sure that it's turned on, you should be able to solve the problem. So this way you'll be able to solve if your guided access is not working. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.